Unlocking Workshop Objectives, a Guide to Success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a term that you might come across in academic or professional settings: workshop objectives. Understanding this concept is key to both planning and participating in workshops effectively. So, let's break it down together. Workshop objectives are clearly defined goals that a workshop aims to achieve. These objectives guide the content, activities, and discussions that take place during the workshop. They are essential because they provide both the facilitator and the participants with a roadmap of what should be accomplished by the end of the session. Objectives can vary widely depending on the workshop's focus, from improving communication skills to learning a new software tool. However, the common thread is that they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Understanding the workshop objectives is crucial for several reasons. For organizers, it helps in planning the workshop structure, materials needed, and how to engage participants. For participants, it sets clear expectations about what they will learn or achieve, helping them stay focused and motivated. For both, it provides a criterion for evaluating the success of the workshop. After the session, everyone can assess whether the objectives were met. To illustrate, let's look at a few examples. 1. By the end of this workshop, participants will be able to identify and use 3 advanced features of a specific software tool. 2. Participants will develop and present a comprehensive marketing strategy for a hypothetical product, demonstrating their understanding of market analysis techniques. 3. Attendees will learn 5 key strategies for effective team communication and demonstrate these through role-playing activities. These examples show how objectives are tailored to specific outcomes, making the goals of the workshop clear to all involved. Writing effective workshop objectives is a skill that improves with practice. Here are some tips. Be specific. Clearly define what the outcome should be. Make it measurable. Ensure that the objective can be evaluated. Ensure achievability. The goals should be realistic given the workshop's duration and resources. Relevance is key. Objectives should align with the overall goals of the participants. Time-bound. Specify the time frame in which the objectives should be met. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of workshop objectives and why they are so crucial for the success of any workshop. Whether you're planning to conduct a workshop or participate in one, understanding these objectives can significantly enhance the experience and outcomes. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, every step in learning English brings you closer to your goals. Keep going, and see you soon.